Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche with puff pastry. Preheat the oven and roll the pastry into a tart pan while the eggs come to room temperature. Sauté vegetables and cook bacon or other proteins, then grate cheese and whisk eggs with cream and seasoning. Partially bake the crust, add fillings, pour the custard, and bake until the center is just set and the top is golden and puffy. First, press the puff pastry into your pan without stretching and trim excess for a neat edge. Docking with a fork and adding parchment and weights prevents bubbles and keeps the base flat and crisp. Bake just until the pastry firms and starts to color, then remove weights and return briefly if needed. Let the shell cool slightly so the custard won't make the base soggy when you assemble the quiche. For a silky custard, whisk together eggs and cream until homogeneous and season with salt, pepper, and a touch of nutmeg if you like. Prepare and cool any fillings so they do not release excess moisture into the tart. Layer fillings evenly in the blind baked shell, pour the custard to just below the rim, and sprinkle cheese on top. Bake until the center is set but still slightly wobbly for perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.